Today we are making roast beast. So what you will need is a little tray that will support one cooked, one ham. If you're doing two hams, make sure they will fit as well. Okay, just planning in advance. I'm going to do one ham because that's all I need to do for right now. Easy. In making something economical, this is what I find handy. This is 1 pound little can ham, and it's cooked already. So that means you can warm it up in your dandy toaster oven. And this is the fun part. You know how you can layer a cake? Well, if you toast them first, you could also then stack it. And if you see where I'm going with this, you can put a glaze on it and it'll look like a half a ham, and then you can slice it. You see what I'm saying? Hopefully I've just given you a little aha moment, and if I have, let me know in the comments below. You can stack hams even after they're cooked, and I'm going to share with you, this is what I do for the glazing. A little light brown sugar and ground cloves on the top. I hope you like that. If you do like that, maybe give my channel a gloves up. I don't have my glove at the moment. Maybe share it to that friend. You just take the lid off, check the expiration date. If it doesn't come out easily like that, this way, and then usually push it down and whoo, it'll come out just nice. So put it in just like that. Next, beautiful, soft, light brown sugar. You're going to put some on the top. Okay, you just put enough on there. Maybe it's safer with your finger. I'm using a sharp fork. Anything that's lumpy, you can press. Okay, put some on the side. A little bit of ground cloves on the top. I like a lot on there. Just like that. You have 2 in there. Just keep your eye on it. And it's great. Okay, moving on. We are going to do the Advent Adventure Time. And today is number 10. So let's make a wish. All right. Yes, I've made a wish. Okay, that's behind window number 10. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a different one from before. Christmas ornament. What do they call that? A milk chocolate truffle, according to the indicator. Oh, this is going to make things better. I broke 2 Christmas ornaments this morning. Okay. Maybe this will help. I hope your wish comes true and you don't break any ornaments. This is going to be good. I'll let you know how it tastes. Oh, that's nice chocolate. If I haven't already convinced you to think about maybe starting an Advent calendar tradition yourself yet, maybe put that on a New Year's goal for next year ahead. It's ready. Look at that beautiful glaze. Oh, yum. Doesn't that look good? There it is. Nicely sliced. Beautiful caramel glaze on it. I hope you like this video. Now you can make an emergency dinner with whatever you have to and call it roast beast. Until next time, do take care and au revoir.